how to see your Instagram password even if you forgot it. So if you have got a new phone or you just want to remember the old password, here's exactly how you can find the Instagram password even if you forgot it, like I said. So all you have to do, guys, is just open your Instagram account, of course, and at the very bottom right you want to click your profile picture, and in the top right you want to click settings. No. In the top right you want to click three lines in the top right, as you can see here, three lines, and after that you want to click on settings in the top. Now after you click on settings you want to click on privacy. Now as you can see here in the top it says here password, and as you can see here, guys, Instagram says here current password, like you have to enter the old password, and after that you want to enter your new password and new password. But a lot of people don't remember the old password, that's why they clicked on this video. So I'm going to show you guys a solution for this. So like I said, guys, like Instagram just won't show you like your password, because that would be a security issue for a lot of people. Even you, like someone can access your account and they can easily see the password, and then they can do a lot of things on your account. Now go back and you want to click on saved login information, the third option. Now you make sure to turn this on, and you make sure to turn this on like this. And if you turn this on, you want to go back, okay? Go back, okay? And now what you want to do, guys, you want to again click three lines in the top right and click settings, and you want to scroll down. At the very bottom it says here log out. Don't worry, you will not lose access to your account because you have turned on saved login info. So that means you don't have to enter the password next time you try to log in into your Instagram. Just click on log out, again log out. And I have a couple of Instagram accounts, that's why I'm not logged out yet. So what you want to do, guys, if you are like me, you want to just click settings, and at the very bottom you want to click on add account and click on log into existing account. Like now, if you want to see your Instagram password, you want to click forgotten password. As you can see here, this blue text here, it says here forgotten password. Now you want to enter here your username, or if you don't know your username, you want to just click on phone and then enter your phone number and click next, and you will send you a verification code, and then you can change your password, okay? So just enter your phone number that is linked to your Instagram account that you use to create an Instagram account, or email, or whatever you have. Now if you have a phone number as a phone number linked to your Instagram account, you want to type it here and click next, and the Instagram is going to send you a verification code. You want to type it there, and that's exactly done. You can follow the steps and it will change your password in a few seconds. So that's exactly how you can change the password, and then you can remember your password or type it somewhere on your phone or on a paper. Hopefully this video helps. If it does, let me know in the comments.